job. They work in optimizing the process. In other words, to get the very best manufacturable process we can come up with. And we'll talk a little bit more about that in the next couple of slides. Scott Sallows has been with Alex Products for 21 years. He's got 31 years of experience in metal forming and welding. And he's in charge of prototyping, electrical engineering, tool and die, automation and custom equipment, and we have a machining department over there also. And basically, I feel very strongly about being able to say, if you can conceive it, Scott's group can build it. Now, as we look at this slide, there's one key thing on this slide, and it's right in the middle. It says AP Incorporated Customer Solution Provider, and that's what we do. We provide a process that will produce the part, and we also extend that to where we let our customer have a part that fits into his process better, and we will make suggestions on how they should use our part. And we've got some specific examples I'd like to run down through a couple of them. Lear Corporation back in 2009 had a Buick Regal seat frame that they approached us with. It was made in Europe and it was MIG welded. And they wanted to bring it to the United States and they wanted to improve the process. And we took it to resistance weld. And resistance weld has several advantages. One, it's a much more repeatable process. You have the ability, when you resistance weld, you have a little bit bigger footprint that you can hit and get an acceptable part. With our dedicated vendors, we'll put out a wire that is the same every single time. And so it's just much more repeatable, and the cycle times are better, the quality's better. And actually Lear was excited enough about that they moved that same seat frame to the Malibu and the Impala. And as you tour Paulding, you'll be able to see these frames being run.
One of the points I want to make here